Yeah, I would just put it on the gloves and it snapped right there. It popped. Bloop. So I left it like that. Well, anyway, what's up, my YouTube friends? How y'all doing? I hope y'all having a blessed day. As for me, I'm good. Thank God. And guess what? I got some nail mail. I got nail mail from two different places, from Profile Backstage and Vanessa Nails. It was gonna be just a Vanessa Nails unboxing and maybe slash swatching. I'm not sure yet, but I wanted to throw in the Profile Backstage in there real quick because, oh my God, y'all, I think I discovered something new. Well, I don't know, it's probably been out there, but to me, I discovered it. But anyway, and this month's subscription from Profile Backstage is this, y'all. This right here. A leaf stencil dab, brown, red, yellow, gold dabbing gel pigment, and a dab tool. Oh wait, oh my God, yo, I am so rude. My name, by the way, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Momo, and I like to do nail videos, nail content stuff. So if you're one of those that like to watch nail content videos, well, you're in the right channel, okay? So stay tuned, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell right next to it, so like that you can get notified when I upload another video. So like that you can watch all my nail videos, okay? Okay, so subscribe right now, okay? That, you know where it says subscribe, go over here real quick. All right, y'all. So they also threw in an extra item. So this is it right here. Yes, I already have opened it. I opened it because I wasn't going to record it, but I decided to record it. But yeah, they threw in the buffer in extra. They threw in this as an extra, this buffer, and I love these buffers. So this dapping tool, right? That's really cool. After I bought one, like not too long ago on my last nail haul, I bought one because I needed one. Look, now I got one. And leaf stencils, and it came with two of these, and these dapping gel pigment, y'all. These are pigments, gel pigments, and they are so, like, I don't think I see anything like, you see that? It looks like pudding gel. I don't know, like the gels in a pot, but like, oh my God, like the solid cream gels. That's what it looks like. Look at that, yo. And when I tell you that, I remember earlier I said that I think I discovered something. Well, I'm thinking that I discovered a new way of airbrushing, y'all. A new way of airbrushing. If you go on Profile Backstage channel, she's gonna show you how to use, you know, these pigments and the stencil and all that, like what to do with these products. She'll show you in the video, right? So I was like, oh my God, that is so cool. That is so freaking cool, yo. Like, that's like a new way of airbrushing. That's a new way of airbrushing. So since they sent two of these, I already have opened one, right? So I'm gonna use one. I'm gonna put it on here, and I'm not gonna open this because I already had one already open. So I'm gonna use this one, okay? So this is why I say this is a new way of airbrushing, y'all. Look at this, because that's what it looks like. It looks like this is acrylic, and I'm so mad because I bought a big freaking jar of this color thinking that it was gonna be a more pigmented pink color. Nope. And it's that translucent pink, and I do not want it. I don't want that. I am so mad. I am so irked with that shit, man. And I bought a big bottle too, like I think it's like a 4-ounce bottle. Let me see. Yeah, 3.5-ounce bottle, yo. Like, I could have got a 1-ounce bottle. So right, look, right, this is, if you was to airbrush, this is what you would use, right? To airbrush, like you would use a stencil and, you know, and do your airbrushing, right? Well, instead of with the airbrush, you're gonna do it with that, with the pigments. You're gonna do it with the motherfucking pigments, y'all. I am so hype about this. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna use that brown. I'm gonna use this red. And this. Oh, what the hell? I'm gonna use all of them. Fuck it. And the reason why I used this already, I didn't use it with this. I had used this with like regular, like gel paint. Nope, it did not work the same. It did not work the same. Let me open this. Oh shit, yeah, this one was open already too. But right. So yeah, see that I put this on there, right? So I'm gonna grab some red. You don't want to like put it on all the way like that, because that's too much. So you can ombre, not like, you know, that. So you won't put too much. Like that was a little too much. A little goes a long way, y'all. See? Like I should have put this on a palette instead of a lint-free white, but yeah. Put your ink like that is on a palette, you know, to take most of the, you know, the pigment away. So right now I'm gonna take some of this brown. See, that was too much. And I'm gonna take some of that brown. And the way she did it is like, oh my god, like that was the easiest thing ever, yo. Well, my whole purpose of this, it was to, you know, try to get it like 3 different colors on there, and it's not working in my favor right now. So please bear with me. This is like my first time doing this, so please bear with me, y'all. Let me get a little bit of red, a little bit more red, a little bit more red. Oh, okay, now I'm getting it. I'm getting it now, I think. Oh my god, this is so corny. Y'all, like I thought I was the shit doing this. Yeah, I think I'm like, I'll get the hang of it. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's so cool. That is cool. This is your new way of airbrushing, y'all. That is your new way of airbrushing. Look at that. Now, if you want, I mean, not if you want, but you have to like clean around and get some little bit of swipe. Fuck. Y'all, I'm just doing a whole mess here, y'all. Like, I swear I know what the hell I'm doing. You see? Just take some acetone or some alcohol, clean all this away, everything that you don't want on it, clean it out before you cure. Okay? See? Just clean all that out before you cure. Ain't that cool, y'all? Look at that. Yup. And then you can use this part of the leaf. And then if you want, use this part, right? And then do the same thing. Y'all get the drift of what I'm trying to do, right? Like, I'm trying to ombre all the colors all in. That's too much. That was way too much. I done took away from all the other colors. Y'all see that, right? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That is so cool. That is so cool. But y'all get the drift that I'm trying to do, right? Like, just, you know, pick out the colors that you want to use and ombre out the colors, you know, by dipping and, you know, by dabbing. And make it look nicer. This is my first time doing it. Well, my second time trying it. But like I said, the first time I tried it. I ain't tried it with this pigment. I tried it with regular gel paint, and it did not work the same. The pigment is better to do this type of thing. So yeah. So look at that, and then it looks like if it's airbrushed. It looks like if it's airbrushed if you was to do it, you know, more neater. But this is just a practice. This is just, you know, to show y'all like what I'm trying to say. That is so cool. I like that. I want to see if they got more of these pigment colors. And if they do, I'm going to get more. Or you could just use just one color alone. Like if you just want that leaf just to be red. Or if you want that leaf just to be gold, you can just use that one color. You don't got to use all the colors. You see how it looks all ombre in? Like a autumn color. Like a, you know, fall colors. That's what it looks like. That is so cool. I like that. I like that a lot. So now, since I had other stencils that I did not know what to do with it, because I didn't have no airbrush machine, which I got one sitting in my cart that's been sitting in my Amazon cart for months and months, because I've been wanting to buy an airbrush machine. But now I don't think I'm gonna buy it, because now I got this and it's way easier. And it's way easier. So now my little stencils that I got like this, like my designer ones, the Gucci one, the Louis Vuitton, now listen, now I know what to do. Now I know what to do with my other stencils. But this is so cool, y'all. I like that. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Like this technique, I like it. I like this technique a lot. So thank God for Profile Backstage for bringing that pigment out. I don't know, it's probably been out. Y'all probably seen it from somewhere else, from another brand or whatever. But this is my first time seeing that type of pigment for this type of situation. So thank you, so I'm gonna thank Profile Backstage for putting me deep. So anyway, you can put this back on right there, reuse it. You can always reuse it as long as it sticks back onto the nail. You can reuse it. So that is so cool. This is what I wanted to show y'all for right now. Yeah, so all this came in the Profile Backstage, the different pigments, the buffer, this, and the stencil. So this is the monthly subscription, y'all. I think you could buy this separate if you want. Yeah, I think you could buy this separate. Yeah, you could buy all this stuff separate if you want. but this all came in my monthly subscription. Yep. So let me put this to the side. I am loving this. Let me put this back. Let me throw this away. I'll clean this later. All right, y'all. Next up is Vanessa Nails. Vanessa Nails. She had 50% off on her website, so you know I had to, because I've been wanting her neon glow in the dark acrylics. I've been wanting them. I've been wanting those acrylics so bad, and every time I go to the website to go buy, I end up buying something else. So I was like, oh hell no, I need that. Cause look, the neon glowy acrylic is $160 alone for 10 acrylics. It was $160 alone. That's how much I paid for everything that I got, $156. So I basically got like the gel polishes for free. Yep. So yep. So I got the glow in the dark neon acrylics and some gel polishes, y'all. So this is the acrylic right here. I went and opened the gel polishes up already, but I didn't see what they look like. Alright, y'all. Look at this. Look at these neon pigments. These neon acrylics, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, and it's going to dark. I'm looking over there at all my acrylics, and I'm like, I got neon acrylics. I got freaking neon acrylic from Bob Nails, from Macart, from Anna Acrylics, but none of them don't glow in the dark. These go in the dark. Yep. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how pretty that looks. Look at how pretty these colors look. Oh my god, I should have been bought these. I could have did a nice rainbow glow in the dark nail set. Should I swatch them? Should I swatch them, or should I just unbox today? Should I just unbox today? Yes. Oh my god, that is decent. And then I got these gel polishes. One was 8, one was 7 in a pack, one was 6 in a pack. One is the Pastel Collection. Let me see. One was the Rainbow Neon Gel Collection, and the other one is the OG Pastel Collection. So this is the Neon Gel Collection. This is the Neon Gel Collection. So let me see if it matches with this. Let me see if it freaking matches with this, yo. Oh my god. Yes. 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 Yes, bitch. Yes. Yes. It do fucking matches. That's, yeah, that's red. That's pink. And that blue. Yes. 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 Yep. I never tried her gel polish. Never tried them. Never tried them. So they gotta be good. They gotta be good, just like her acrylics. Let's see. Let's see. Don't talk about it, be about. How pretty these colors are. I said, you know what, since I'm getting the neon glow in the dark colors, let me get the neon gel polishes. and they feel good. Like, they're not too thick and they're not too light. They feel like a medium consistency to it. And it's giving the same color, like the color that's on the top. Oh my god, the pigment on this thing looks so good. Like, these colors look so nice and bright. Like, you want to just eat it. Don't eat this. You cannot eat this. This is not edible. Oh my god. Yes, 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 yes. And now this one is the Pastel Collection. This Neon Collection comes 7. It was 7 gel polishes on the Neon Gel Polish Collection. And this is the, what I said? The OG Pastel Collection, and it comes 8 of them. It comes 8 of them. Okay, so let's see what it's hitting for. Nothing else in there, nope. Oh my god, she's having a training class, man, coming up in Pittsburgh and in New York. So if she has the one in New York, it's closer to me than Pittsburgh, even though Pittsburgh is in the state of Pennsylvania that I'm in, but Pittsburgh is still further from where I'm at, and New York is closer from where I'm at, you know, if that makes sense. So if anything, I'd rather go to the one in New York if it's closer. Well, depending where in New York. Because where I'm from in Philadelphia and Pennsylvania, that's like 4 hours away, 3 to 4 hours away. Look at this. This is a pretty as nude color, coffee cream color. Oh man, that is nice. Oh, and I got some pastel acrylics. I got some pastel acrylics from her brand, so I'm hoping this is the same color as the one I got in acrylic. Oh, I forgot to mention that the neon color ones, it has the color swatches on top of the bottle and the name of the gel polish. Well, it's not no name, it's the numbers of the gel polish on the bottom of the gel polishes. Oh yeah, and the name. Well, some have names, some don't. See, this one got numbers, V. This one's got the name and the numbers. See, these just got numbers. Oh, this one got the name and number, neon yellow. See, so these, they don't have it. They don't have the name of it, of the colors or the numbers, and they are 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters gel polishes. So these are nice size gel polish. All right. Oh look, yeah, this one got the name of. This one is Pastel Pink. Look at this pink. Yeah, I'm telling you, I got some pastel acrylics. So I'm hoping some of these pastel gel polishes match. It's the same color as the acrylic powders. Yeah, look at this pink. pink. It's a pretty pink. It's a nice soft pink. This one is pastel green. Yep, I think I got this one. Yeah, I think I do got this one in the acrylic. Yes. Pastel purple. Pastel peach. Now I'm gonna go look for my pastel acrylics. Pastel blue. Let me see something. See, I got the pastel purple, pastel yellow. Let me see the purple one. Oh, my eyes blind as shit. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, yep, it's giving me the same. Yes. Pastel yellow. Oh shit, and I picked the pastel yellow one too from over there. So let me see. This is an ugly. This is an ugly yellow. It's giving me like a honey mustard yellow. Cause you know the powders usually don't. Sometimes this is not the same exact color that you get when you swatch it. So I'm pretty sure that's gonna be as dark as this color. So these are the pastel gel polishes, y'all. So that is it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not done so yet, hit that subscribe button. Please do so. I would really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Y'all just don't know how much it'll mean to me. It'll mean a lot to me if you do so. So please go ahead and do that for me. And yeah, and please come back again. All right. So don't forget, y'all. Stay blessed. Be safe out there. And come back again. Love y'all. Bye.